Thank you so much. Happy morning, all. It's great pleasure hosting this program. I've taken it over from Indra today since she's driving. And today we are with a builder called Etica Developers. They basically city-based property developers where they have done projects in Arepuram, Kotopuram. They've concentrated more on south of Chennai. They've done projects in Chittaranjan Road. They're doing two projects at Chittaranjan Road, one at St. Mary's Road. So all these they're covering up the city projects where the price ranges start from around 2.53 crores till around 6 crores. So this is what their main concentration is. They don't go out of Chennai. They're not concentrating on number of apartments basically. So this was started by Mr. Diliban. I think once again. So this was started by Mr. Diliban. Basically, the background of the company is like RD Associates is the main company, and they were doing almost 30 for the 30 past years. They're basically contractors. Then they wanted to have a tagline as a builder. They were doing a lot of back work for other builders, so they wanted to become a hero to the market, and they've started a company called Etica Developers, and they've done almost 3 lakh square feet now. So this is the going on the project, on the ongoing projects. I think Suresh will take over, and I think this is a brief of the company. And Suresh, I think you can take over. Mute. Look.
Thank you, Daniel. Good morning, all.
Yeah, once again, Suresh. Before I introduce Suresh, Suresh is the General Manager Marketing of Sales. He takes up the full marketing and sales of Etica Developers. So one point contact for all your property requirements. Over to you, Mr. Suresh.
Thank you, Daniel. Good morning, all. Let me start with my current projects, actually. Current projects locations, Etica Srinidhi at Chemius Road, Etica Vijayaraghavan Road, T Nagar, Etica Malar, Wheatcraft Road, Nungambakam, and Etica Bay 7, which is in Seaward Road, Valmiki Nagar. So, project-wise, I explain you the details. Etica Srinidhi, Chemius Road. It's a 3-ground extent property. Total 10 apartments. Sizes starts with 1,850 square feet. All are unique sizes. 2 apartments per floor. So 2 car parkings, and then terrace landscape garden will be there. All the high-end specification we used to for it. And then we do a landscaping garden with the gymnasium at the terrace. 100% power backup. And then rate per square feet is 16,500 rupees we are quoting it. So as of now, the availability, if you see, 4th and 5th floor is available out of 10. Next is Vijaya, that is T Nagar Vijayaraghavan Road, very adjacent to Andhra Club. It's 4-bedroom apartment, starts with 3,000 square feet. Total 8 apartments per floor, 2 apartments. In this, we have an exclusive gym and multipurpose hall. And project is almost completed. We have given portion for customers as of now. So 100% power backup, terrace landscape garden, and per apartment 3 car parkings. Rate per square feet, it starts with 16,500 rupees in Etica Vijaya. And next is our Etica Malar in Nungambakam. It's a 4-bedroom apartment. Yet to start the project now. By end of this month, we are starting the progress action. Construction activities. It starts with 2,200 square feet, 4-bedroom, saleable. Total 10 apartment. Per floor 2 apartment, same. The gym and terrace landscape garden is available. 3 car parkings we have planned as of now for Etica Malar in Nungambakam, Wheatcraft Road. Next is Bay 7 in Valmiki Nagar, Tiruvanmiyur. It starts with 1,700 square feet to 1,980 square feet. Again, 4-bedroom apartment. Per floor 2 apartments, and then same we do landscape garden and gymnasium at the same time. The terrace we are accommodating both at the terrace itself. So all the projects have a high-end specifications, like Italian marbles. We focus only on the qualities of our projects. Like boutique, we develop only boutique properties. Let me share you the special features of about our companies. We focus only on the prime locations like Nungambakam to Tiruvanmiyur and T Nagar to Kottuppuram. These are the projects as of now the company has developed. And then the inside the apartment, the specifications all are now high-end specifications. We use only the Italian marbles and then teak woods, and then in flooring wise everything. What the 5-star categories of properties specifications, and then we are open for the customization. The person who is asking for a personalized customization, we appoint a architect, in-house architect team and engineering team to coordinate with the customers whatever the requirement they wanted. In case of any customization they wanted, they want to customize two apartment per floor. They wanted a one apartment like that designs, and then whatever the alteration in the kitchen, the personalized customization will be provided each and every customers with their projects. Next is budget starts with, or all the project budget starts with 2.5 crores to 6 crores. And then our project maximum we cover with the greeneries. Our project is 50% concrete and 50% will be the garden. We are a specialist in doing a landscape garden. One of our director actually, his background is now worked in a tropical landscape garden in Singapore based. We get an exclusive design from the Singapore and we execute the landscape garden. The entire site is covered with and it's kind of jungle kind of apartment. Inside the jungle there is an apartment. Such kind of the greeneries will be focused in our project. At the same time, the rental yield of our projects, wherever we have done the projects, we have maximum tied up with the consulates, like Singapore consulates and Malaysian consulate, Singapore consulate, British consulates have taken apartment with us. So rental yield will be the higher end. At the same time, the delivery of our projects, on-time delivery. Whenever we commence on the date of starting, and then delivery will be the same, will be whatever the dates we are given, we will complete the project. Coming to our maintenance, whatever the projects we have completed till now, the Etica, we have an in-house maintenance team to complete the complete entire maintenance will be taking care. Since in terms of the landscape is huge, and then security services, whatever. In future, they have any complaints in the apartment, the lifetime maintenance Etica will be providing to our customers. These are the special features in our projects. Then this is what our projects are. The completed projects, if you take Kottuppuram, we have done 2 projects. One is Saptagiri and Avigna. Next is Tiruvanmiyur, Kalatmika, one project we have completed, and Saptami. These are the recent projects we have completed in company, and Valeria and Chittaranjan Road. Now, one more project is completed, that is TTK Road, which is recently completed. So current projects, we are Chemius Road, which is banked on the Nandanam, very close by walkable distance to the boat club, and then Seaward Road, 4th Seaward Road, which is very close by sea actually, and then Nungambakam Wheatcraft Road, and then T Nagar Vijayarago Road. It's almost completed project. So these are the completed projects as of now. And then company's background actually, one Mr. Dilipan is the managing director for the company. We have completed almost 3 lakh square feet, 3 lakh square feet in past 5 years. Our focus is next 5 years, we are planning to do almost 6 to 7 lakhs square feet. So this is the company's focus. Our directors, Mr. Prakash, is the technically qualified, and then he is the execution head for the entire company. He is taking care of entire completion and then customization, the entire the process of completion, everything under Prakash operations. There is technically qualified engineers actually. We have highly qualified engineers, maximum like what can I say? The high experienced technical engineers and staffs are working with us. And then the consultant, like architect, if you see all the elevations are in a different way. The NVA, Natarajan Venkat, is the architect for all the projects, whatever projects we have completed and future projects. The NVA is the architect. We deal only with the top consultants in the market. So these are the unique unique advantages in Etica. And then if you see the each and every elevations, we used to spend a lot of costing in that. So cost compared to the market, ours is no, in terms of elevation, we create a landmark in particular location with the elevations, and then in terms of product, everything. Daniel?
Yes, Mr. Satish.
So we can, thank you. This is the project. In case of any queries on anything you wanted, you can discuss.
Thank you so much, Suresh. I think, can we go
And
on?
then, Daniel, one more thing. In terms of channel partners, we invite all the channel partners to work along with us. So whatever the market terms is there, we can discuss. We are open for the channel partners. At the same time, we are open for any projects in terms of joint venture, in terms of any redevelopment inside the city. Our preference is only the South Chennai, from Nungambakam to Tirvanmur, Kottapuram to T Nagar. These are the preferred locations. We are invite for any dealing like whatever you have land parcels or JV or redevelopment. Directly you can approach me. I have shared my email ID and contact details in that. At the same time, if you have any of your clients who are willing to visit the property, you can directly reach us. You can reach me. I'll be available at the site. We can discuss with the. We can register your leads with us. So what are the terms we can discuss on that? Market terms we can provide for the channel partners.
I'd like to add over here.
Yeah.
I've been working with Etica for quite some time, and I've been concentrating on luxury segment from quite some time. So what makes luxury segment, what are the key aspects of luxury segment are location, the finishes, the specs, the sizes. I can definitely vouch that Etica comprises or attends to all that are luxury buyers looking to buy. Etica has it all. Say based on location, they have the best locations that they have. Sizes are perfect. Their finishes, and the biggest USP is the landscape gardens, the terraces, which is the biggest USP, which is a highlight of all their projects. So I can definitely vouch for Etica and their finishes.
Yeah, adding to it, I think I've been with Etica for almost 5.5 to 6 years. So I know the pains from the start till the end. Basically, as Vinay sir said, their main focus is on landscaping. Once you come to that, you would mind sitting on the terrace garden rather sitting at home. So that's the feel they try to give you in the apartment. And very well done. All architects, all renowned architects and technical people are there around the project. So, and even the rentals are really good. I handle rentals also. The rentals are really good. Good appreciation. So so we can take some Q&As.
I think Chandrasekhar has a query.
Yeah, hi.
Chandra, you can go ahead. Please ask your question.
Yes. Yeah, so my question to the Suresh, can
Yes,
I know
sir.
what is the price you are quoting this, Arepuram projects and all? I wanted to know the pricing ranges from how much you charge.
Arepuram, currently we don't have projects, sir, but we were quoting 22,000 rupees per square feet day. But Chemius Road is our current project, and then Seven Hills, Etica Seven Hills on Santa Fe Road, which is sold out actually. Fully sold out.
Good.
The last rate was we quoted 17,500 in Santa Fe Road. That is first class.
Very good. Fine. Do you have only Chemius Road is available right now, or you have any other projects?
All these current projects I have availability. In Chemius Road, I have 3 apartments, and then Vijayaraghapuram, Nagar, 1 apartment. Etica Malar in Nungamakam, we have 4 apartments, and Bay 7 in Seaward Road.
Okay. Chemius Road, if I'm right, next to this Nuts and Spice, no?
Exactly, you're right. Next to Nuts and Spice.
North facing
property. It's a 3-ground extent.
Very good. Okay. How many apartment is going to come, and what is the price you are quoting, sir?
Still plus 5 floors, 2 apartments per floor. So price is 16,500 rupees per square feet.
What is the range of square feet it is? Perfect.
Unique sizes, 1850, all are 1850. But we have an
Right.
option in 5th floor. If you want, if
Okay.
your clients are required, combining 2 apartments, we can do it. 1850, we can combine these 2 apartment as a single apartment, kind of penthouse in 5th floor. So we have
Right.
option and we have plans to that.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So Praveena here. So whatever is available with you right now, can you share all the price cost sheet to the group? It will be helpful.
Sure, we will do it. Yeah.
Yeah,
I'll
thank
send
you.
you all
And
the project brochures
yeah.
with the cost sheet and then floor plans, whatever the details, specifications, everything will be shared to you.
I
Right,
think the
thank-
project brochures and
Yeah, that's been
inventory
shared.
available has been shared on the groups. Only the cost sheet has not been shared. Am I
Yeah,
right,
only
Praveen?
the cost sheet. Yes, Vinay. Correct.
Cost sheet will do it.
So even if Suresh gives us a base selling price of all the projects over there,
Yeah. Yeah.
at least you can start your work.
Correct, Vinay. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Mr. Suresh, I would like you to share the completion dates also.
Sure, sir. We'll be mentioning the completion dates in the projects.
Of the projects, I don't think it comes under ERA, no, being less than 8 units.
No. All the projects, whatever we are on current projects, it's under RERA. Since it's a 3 grounds property,
Okay.
it exceeds 500 square meters, so it comes under RERA. We got RERA numbers for all these 4.
Oh, great. I'd like to
Balaji,
share.
sir. Balaji, sir. Among all these 4 projects, the ready to move on projects is Vijaya.
Only Vijaya is ready to move in. Srinidhi is by December. You can start your interiors. Malar is yet to start the project. The excavation work is started, and seawater demolition work is done, and we are going to start after this pandemic. By this month, then we are going to start the project. Malar and Bay 7.
Mr. Suresh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is Mujibur Rahman over here.
Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
I checked in a little late. I just want to know a little elaboration on the maintenance part. I think I was late, so I could not hear on that particular angle.
So whatever projects we are completed, we take care of maintenance. In maintenance, in terms of the monthly maintenance, the expenses, whatever incurred, the association will be formed. Association will be given to Etica Maintenance Services Company. We have a separate company. That company will be working for all the completed project and forthcoming project. Even the association is formed, we take care of maintenance. That is what I'm trying to say. Which is a lifetime maintenance, we take care of it. At the same time, in terms of whatever the complaints in the structure, like plumbing or electrical, everything except the common area, inside the flat also, we are attending towards it. This is what the maintenance I supposed to explain you on that.
I should compliment you on this particular angle, because I think maintenance becomes a little tardy after some time.
Yeah. So that is the reason we are involving in the maintenance. The company Etica is directly doing the maintenance services.
Thank you, Mr. Suresh.
Thank you, sir.
Anyone else has a question?
Any more questions from any of the participants?
Vinay, you could highlight a little more on Etica, Vinay, how, because you have been working with them. So your practical experience.
I think Mujibhai,
Mujibhai, you are late. He did it.
I know that. But once more,
once more, I'll reiterate what I said earlier. What defines an uber luxury project is location, the sizes, specs, as in the flooring, the toilets, and the USP is what defines a luxury project. Etica covers all the parameters required for a luxury project. And the biggest USP is the landscape terrace garden, which becomes a beautiful green patch, which becomes usable. Most of the buildings we see, the terraces are not used or not thought of, or not so much of concentration is put on the terraces. But Etica does a brilliant job with the landscaping on the terrace, which makes it so usable. So you don't have to step out of your project at all. You have it all inside your project. You just sit on the terrace and you feel like, you are in the lap of greenery everywhere. So that is one of the USPs.
Thank you, Vinay. Thank you.
Welcome, Mujib bhai.
Any further questions? Please go ahead. Vinay is there always.
Now, Mujib bhai, yeah. We'll answer. I'll ask your question. I'll take your questions later after the meeting.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Vinay.
Any other questions from anyone?
Yeah,
Again,
my question to Suresh.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Mr. Suresh, can I know what is the CP payouts you pay? Because you said normally whatever the market trend, the company will pay 2% plus GST, or how it will be?
2%, sir.
Okay.
2%.
So 2% plus GST you can pay.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, anything else? Any other doubts? Any other queries?
For the commission part, I think the company has paid really well, because I've been to the company for 5 to 6 years. So as soon as the agreement is done, I think in a day or two, I think that is released. So as a commission part, I think I'm sure on that it will be on time. There is no
Daniel.
delay or 45 days, 50 days, nothing like that. Once the registration part is done, then it's almost shared.
Then sorry to interrupt. Whatever the lead registered, now initially we'll go with an agreement with the CP agreement. It's available with us. So we can enroll with the CP agreements, and then you can directly register with the leads, whatever you have. Now I'll be providing the mail IDs, and we have a one-to-one discussion on that. So we'll be providing you the agreement. So CP agreement is available. Based on that, we'll work together. Anything about our project details?
What is the validity of the leads, Mr. Suresh? Or it is only the accompanied site visits are
Sir,
getting converted?
Let me explain you, sir. Since our projects, everything inside the city, so we have an inventories are very less. Like if all these projects, are joint venture projects, our stock, the inventories will be very less. Like Chambers got 4 apartments, already 1 is sold, so 3 is left out. Based on this, the lead validations maximum I can take it for 3 months. So not more than 3 months. I can't wait for this. So project completion date is almost, we are targeting for 10 months or 10 to 12 months. Before that, I wanted to complete the sale. So I can validate the leads maximum for 3 months, from the date of launch, whatever it is.
So,
Suresh, what Mr. Balaji is trying to ask is, today he registers the lead and you give him credit for, or if I'm registering the lead and you're giving me credit for 3 months,
Yes, sir.
and subsequently the client has not inspected the property, but Balaji is able to convince the client and bring the client for an inspection.
Okay, sir.
Because inspection is most important in any project. That's what we know.
True.
So he wants to know on that front, how will you handle it? Am I right, Balaji?
yes,
Sir,
yes.
the point is right. The 3 months, what I say, the conversion will happen for us. Whatever the project, for example, I can take this Etica Bay 7. It's a 7 apartments. Our share is 4 apartments. Now 2 is sold out. Just if I start this project, rest of this 2 apartment will be sold out for us. So in case of stock is available in that particular project, wherever you bought your leads, so we can validate that leads, again reconsider on that, and we can work together. No issues. Notice that now if stock is available in particular project, wherever you registered lead, it's not 3 months. If it is available, again, I can rework for CPs for that, whoever registered the lead.
Sir, Praveena here again. See, I think he's asking if the same lead is bought by two different CPs is what he's asking. You're talking about inventory being available, and
No.
if in case inventory is available, then it will be given to the other lead. Is that what you're saying?
No. The duplication, whoever registered the lead first, we will consider them. The point is
Okay.
clear. If you are
Okay.
bringing the leads first, you registered with us, I'll be taking you as the first consideration. I'll be informing them already it has been registered. In
Right.
such cases, I can give the first come, first serve. And then second, what I'm trying to say, the lead validation. If you registered a lead today,
Right.
how many days it will be validated? That is what the Balaji sir's questions actually. For that, I told our inventory is very less, so I can validate this lead for 3 months. Okay. So meanwhile, if it is available, I can again reconsider. I can talk to the Balaji. Lead is validated for you. The stock is available. You can talk to your customers. That we can do it. No issues.
Correct. So if his lead will be valid for 3 months, right? I got that point.
More than that also, if the stock is available, we'll be working towards it. Already, the Vinay sir experienced that. 1 year back, we registered the lead. Customer came for after 1.5 years. So we are working towards it. So that is not that 3 months is not a validation. If stock is available, your lead will be validated again.
Okay.
But contact with yours.
Praveena, from what Mr. Suresh is, I understand,
Yes, sir.
because we are in regular touch with the channel partners even after 3 months. If the customer seems to be hot or warm customer, because most of the property sold by Etica is only luxury projects and city projects, because they need to be in a constant touch with the clients. It may take some time, 3 months or 1 month, or even a few months more also, 6 to 7 months, being a luxury projects and most of the projects in city. So that is what he wanted to, I think he wished to communicate. Am I right, Mr. Suresh?
True.
Got that point, sir. Got that point.
So Suresh, regarding this Malar in Nungambakam, could you highlight the exact location, please?
Sir, in Sterling Road, off Sterling Road, I know that Bharat Petrol Bunk, sir.
Yeah.
There is a lane actually, that is Wheatcalf Road.
Yeah.
If you enter into that street, hardly 200 meters on your right. Before taking that right, Laila College Road, if you take that end right is Laila College with road is connects. Before the third property on right hand side.
Yeah, got it, Mr. Suresh, got it.
Yeah, it's a one way actually. That road is one way.
Yeah, got it, Mr. Suresh.
It's 3 ground properties.
What is the price of this Vijayaraghava Road, Mr. Suresh?
16,500, sir. 16,500, no GST now. We got CC for that. 3 apartment is occupied now. Only 1 is available. Inventory is 1. 3rd floor is available in that. Let me share you the details of it.
I think we are done with most of the questions. And I'd like to thank first and foremost all the participants. We've been having this marathon of channel partner meet. This is a 15th channel partner meet. We've been having this on a daily basis at 11 o'clock. And I thank all the participants to remove the precious time and attend all these meetings. And I also thank Etica for showcasing their projects and encouraging channel partners to bring in more projects under their role and to market more. I thank one and all. Thank you so much.